How to make lemonade. To make it, you need 3 ingredients. And those ingredients are water, lemon juice, sugar, and also ice, if you want it ice cold. All right, got the lemon juice. Now I gotta get the water. Here we go. Now we gotta get some ice. There. Okay, I have to hurry for the rest of this tutorial because the ice is going to melt fast. All right, I got the cup. I don't want to use this cup. I don't want to use the cup. Wait. Put in a big old glass. And we also have to get the sugar, but I'll get that soon. Here's the ice. All right, next we need water. Okay. The next ingredient is lemon juice. Okay, I think that's a little too much, but whatever. Next we need sugar. I know how to get to it. Okay, that's stevia. We don't need that. In fact, get it out of the way. We don't need stevia. Okay, I have no idea where the sugar is. Oh, I think I know where it is. I'm gonna need this thing to grab it. Get over here. Get. I'll get to it. Wait a second. The sugar was right here the whole time. Whoops. Okay. Now I have the sugar. Let's open it. Now, we're just going to take 1 scoop. No, who am I kidding? Dump the whole sugar. I'm kidding. Don't cause a mess in your kitchen. Put as much sugar as you wish, or don't add any at all. Add stevia instead, whatever. But do not make a mess in your kitchen. Unless if you want a mess to clean up afterwards. Which we're probably gonna have a mess to clean up afterwards anyway. It's getting so full. I think we need to put more ice. Hold on, I'll get more ice. All right, next, I think I need a little more sugar. Or maybe a little more. The ice melted already? And that's how you make lemonade. So that's how you make lemonade. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure you leave a like on this video. Perhaps you could maybe even subscribe to this channel. Anyways, have an awesome rest of your day. See you in the next tutorial. Oh my god, I have quite a mess to clean up.